Well, ahead of the Tamil Nadu polls, the Congress party held a big strategy huddle in the national capital yesterday. And we are learning that Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge and KC Venugopal met with Tamil Nadu Congress leader to finalize the sheet-sharing alliance plans and campaign strategy. Top sources have told Times Now that it is a message to Manikam Tagore and Praveen Chakrabarti that there should be no talks, no social media post on the alliance. Whatever the AICC decides, state leaders should follow that only. So that's a big message that is coming after the crucial meeting, a huddle that took place in the national capital. A strong message that has been given to the leaders, the local leaders, that there should be no talks and no social media post on the alliance talks. And whatever the AICC decides, state leaders should follow that. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Niyamika, who's been tracking all the details. Niyamika, we're learning that a crucial meeting took place in the national capital yesterday. A big huddle, a big strategy huddle, in fact, that was hemmed by Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge and KC Venugopal. Take us through what decisions were taken in this crucial meeting.
Well, yes, indeed, Akanksha. As yesterday, there is a high-level meeting which has taken place here in the national capital at Indira Bhavan, where the Tamil Nadu Congress leaders were being called by the Congress High Command. In particular, if we talk about the discussion which have taken place, it was basically about the strategy for the Congress party, not just in terms of seat sharing formula, but also about the alliance. As we have seen in the recent past that there was a continuous pressure which is being mounted by the Congress party's several leaders, specifically if we talk about Manikam Tagore and Praveen Chakrabarti upon the DMK. As we have seen that how Manikam Tagore has been repeatedly making social media posts about the demand of the Congress party for power sharing. That is being discussed in yesterday's meeting, as there was a one-to-one talk which had been done by the party high command with these state leaders, which has taken almost 4 hours, where it has been decided that the Congress party first needs to focus upon winning the elections. As we have seen that how the various Congress leaders have also made a complaint that because of these social media posts, there is an impact upon the alliance of the Congress and DMK in the state of Tamil Nadu. But on the other side, the demand which is being raised by Mr. Manikam Tagore is that it is very much needed that DMK should also give an assurance to the Congress party before the assembly elections that if they will come to power, then there will be a power sharing as well, and as many as 6 ministerial positions must be given to the Congress party, because it is basically the voice of the cadre, it is basically the voice of the workers who are basically on the ground, who are making sure that the party wins in that particular state. That is the message which has been given by Mr. Manikam Tagore, to which the Congress party has also given an assurance that all of these concerns will be taken into consideration, but the major focus right now should be upon making the party win. And for that reason, in fact, KC Venugopal has also stated in a press briefing that all the leaders have been advised not to make any particular statement against the alliance partners publicly or even through social media. So that is a strong message which the party high command has also given to the party leaders, specifically if we talk about Mr. Manikam Tagore. But on the other side, it is also being told to us by the sources that Mr. KC Venugopal during this discussion has also mentioned it very clearly that Congress party self-respect is equally important. So basically they have kept it open-ended, because when the question was being raised that whether the alliance with DMK will be continued or the Congress party is finding an alternative option, then at that point in time KC Venugopal had stated that the right decision will be taken at the right point in time. So that is the kind of response which they are giving in, because the ball is now in the court of DMK. We have seen that how Girish Chodankar, who is the in charge of the Tamil Nadu Congress, he has made it very clear that this time the seats should be increased for the Congress party, and also about the power sharing agreement should also be clarified on the part of the DMK. But till now there is no official word which has come on the part of the DMK. So it will be really interesting to see that Congress party is going to continue with this alliance, or they are going to find an alternative way, because there are some leaders who have also suggested that the Congress party should also make sure that TVK should be a close partner in the state of Tamil Nadu, and that is what we have seen during the recent past when Rahul Gandhi had also showed some kind of inclination towards Vijay as well as TVK in particular.
Absolutely. Stay on with us, Niyamika. We have more breaking update coming in. Details that are coming in as far as the crucial hurdle in the national capital of the Congress party is concerned. As the countdown starts to the Tamil Nadu election, Congress is weighing in the alliance options. Inside scoop on this key meeting that took place yesterday. High Command, we're learning, is in the favor of the DMK party. One-on-one meeting with the Tamil Nadu Netas will take place, and majority of the leaders have suggested that the party should go with DMK. Niyamika, do tell us more about this, because as you also mentioned, there's few leaders, and not just the leaders, but also Rahul Gandhi, who showed inclination towards TVK as well as far as Tamil Nadu elections are concerned. But we're learning that now the High Command is saying that they are in the favor of DMK. But what is the future as far as TVK is concerned?
Well, Akansha, we can say that this is basically a pressure tactics which is being opted by the Congress party. The way in which yesterday Mr. KC Venugopal has also responded over the question related to the alliance of the Congress party in the state of Tamil Nadu. It was basically an open-ended reply which he had given. He hasn't specifically mentioned anything about DMK or about TVK in particular. He stated that the right decision will be taken at the right point in time, because we have seen that how the Congress party is also giving out this message that the dominance on the part of the DMK will not be accepted at all. The way in which repeatedly they are demanding that at least 6 ministerial positions should be promised by the DMK even before the assembly elections. That is basically a pressure tactics which they have started. The way in which Rahul Gandhi has come in support of Vijay, not just during the Karur Stampede incident, but also when Vijay was being questioned here by the CBI, or at the point in time when the controversy had erupted regarding his movie. At that point in time also, it was Rahul Gandhi who had given a statement in favor of Vijay only. So that is basically a pressure which they are also trying to create upon the DMK, that we are also having an alternative option. But in yesterday's meeting in particular, it was being stated that the party high command is majorly in focus, or majorly in favor of having an alliance with the DMK. But till now, because there is no official word which has been given by the DMK about any kind of promise for the power sharing or about the seat sharing agreement, and that is the only reason why the Congress party is also trying to give out this message that we are still awaiting, we are still having another option. So it is upon the DMK whether they are going to accept the demand of the Congress party or they are going to refuse to it.
Absolutely. And Niyamika, battle for